Hello everyone, you are watching TI Sports. This is Pratyush Raj. I have with me Sahil Malhotra. We are sitting inside HPCA Stadium, somewhere close to the nets. As you guys can see from the backdrop, India's net has just ended. There's so many talking points, but the biggest talking point, batting the playing 11, is fitness of Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma, we have Sahil with us to talk about that. But before we'll go to Sahil, I'll just share a few inputs. What I saw at the IS Bindra PCA Stadium, Rohit Sharma was walking gingerly, he was running gingerly, he even batted very gingerly. His right thigh was heavily strapped, and God knows how long he's carrying this hamstring injuries and how fit he is. Yes, he has been given clearance by the COE. To talk on Rohit Sharma more, we have Sahil with us. Sahil, first impression on Rohit after watching him back?
No, I know, Pratyush, first things first, you look at the body language of a player कि कितना कॉन्फिडेंस रेडिएट करते हैं. और रोहित शर्मा जनरली जितने नेट सेशन में उनके कवर करे हैं, हम जनरली काउंट रखते नहीं है, बट आज हम आते हुए कुछ काउंट कर रहे थे कितने मैचेस किसके हो गए हैं. तो काफ़ी मैचेस रोहित के मैंने कवर करे हैं अक्रॉस फॉर्मेट्स और बहुत नेट सेशंस करे हैं. और उस लिहाज से अगर मैं कहूँ रोहित शर्मा की बॉडी लैंग्वेज हैज़न्ट बीन what it used to be. वो एक बहुत लाइवली कैरेक्टर हुआ करते थे. आज थोड़ा कट ऑफ फ्रॉम द ग्रुप लगे, अलूफ लगे. और बैटिंग
never ever Gautam Gambhir, not a single time you have seen interacted with coach Gambhir.
I think from what we saw at the main square, क्योंकि तब गंभीर यहाँ पर थे, दोनों के बीच में कोई वार्तालाप नहीं हुआ जितना हमने देखा. और ये हम कुछ कहानी नहीं बना रहे हैं, जो देखा है वो आपको बता रहे हैं.
Interestingly, after Rohit went there to center pitch, he was training there, batting, facing the side arm thrower. He never looked at ease, and after when he was doing he was practicing, he was standing at the first slip with Ishan Kishan donning the glove. He and Captain Subman Gill has had a long chat, very long and intense chat, and there was no hasi mazak ki garden mein ghumna, nothing. It looked like there was a clear message that has been given by the skipper to the former skipper. So
मतलब मैसेजिंग एंड ऑल इज फाइन प्रत्युष, बट जितना मैं माहौल देख रहा हूँ ना टीम का, मतलब इतना इंटेंस ड्रेसिंग रूम मैंने हाल फिलहाल में नहीं देखा है. और ODI सेटअप, वी ऑल आर अवेयर, इट्स नोवेयर क्लोज टू व्हाट इज इन tests and T20s where transitions have happened, senior players have been phased out, but ODIs is probably one format where there are not one but two elephants in the room, if not three, if you include Hardik Pandya also in that list. So 3 elephants in the room, 2 are unfortunately injured, one is still out there, and that one elephant wasn't, don't take me literally please, आप tiger बोल दो यार, वरना लोग troll करने लगेंगे कि रोहित को elephant बोल दिया. But that tiger probably who had his territory marked for decades in Indian cricket was looking to mark a new one today in Dharamshala.
And it looked like it was like a 39-year-old among the youngsters, not so many newcomers and all. Misfit lage काफी. And then there's the talking point is the 2 injuries, Virat Kohli and Hardik Pandya. Not a small shoes to fill in. And Morne Morkel in the press conference kind of opened a can of worms when he took name of 3 players who will be rotated at number 3. The number 1, Yashasvi Jaiswal, he's a direct replacement to Virat Kohli. Ishan Kishan was picked as a backup opener and as a backup wicket keeper. But then the name that kind of intrigued everyone was KL Rahul. Do you think KL Rahul, who has batted at 5 and 6 for past 3 years, kept gloves? He's been like unka gloves. He's not keeping in this series for sure. वो दिख गया आज. Ishan Kishan will keep. Will he bat at 3?
If KL Rahul bats at 3, it will be the worst thing to have happened to him. For a cricketer who has done your dirty laundry, मतलब वो ओपनर से मिडिल ऑर्डर आए, 5 पे खिलाया, 5 से आपने उनको 6 पे खिलाया, कीपिंग करवाई उसने, हर चीज़ में यस सर बोल के काम करते गए, गेम इवॉल्व करा, गेम चेंज करा. एंड इफ एट ऑल इवन देयर आर डिस्कशंस ऑफ हिम बैटिंग एट number 3, those are absurd, those are ridiculous, those are stupid. And he is not one player you would want to touch right now in that middle order. I know you are obsessed with left right, we all know that, we can confirm that multiple times now, that there is a strong inclination to have left-handers in the mix, but not at the cost of KL Rahul, please. He has done a phenomenal job doing the difficult job batting lower down the order. Not KL Rahul, please. You can rotate whoever you want.
And again, if you bring KL at 3, then your middle order is completely inexperienced.
Yeah.
You need someone who can bat along with those youngsters and inexperienced lower middle order.
Yeah.
So on that note, there are like, yes, Nitish Kumar Reddy will be a direct replacement for Hardik Pandya.
Yeah.
With Bumrah's and Siraj's absence, you might see either Prince Yadav or Gurnur Brar making their debut in this series.
Could be Prince Yadav tomorrow because he was doing an interview with the broadcaster.
Yeah, so that's a big clue. Here you go. Prince Yadav is making his debut. On that note, thank you everyone. We'll join today again after the match. Keep watching TOI Sports. Thank you.